Infor Factory Track for LN Consignment Receiving. In order to support consignment receiving in Factory Track, we need first of all to set things up in LN. First of all, the warehouse itself must have been set up as type consignment. Then we need to define the warehouse mobility consignment warehouse parameters. This is in common warehouse mobility consignment handling consignment receipt parameters. We need to set up the order type, etc. for each of the warehouses. And we need to register the blanket purchase order if one exists for that warehouse. Then in Factory Track, we will use a consignment receipt where no consignment receipt order line exists. If one does exist, then we would use the standard receiving transaction instead. To use a consignment receipt, we enter the warehouse. It will then pre-fill with a blanket order if it exists. Otherwise, we need to manually enter the purchase order and the consignment receipt will create a new purchase order line. We can enter a packing slip reference and the item, quantity, lot number, etc. We then hit process and this will perform the consignment receipt. We then have the standard label printing logic. We enter the label combinations that we want to print and it will print our labels for us.